Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I forgot what I was going to say. Guys, so today we're going to talk about a very important topic. But before I'm going to say the topic, before I'm going to review what the topic is, I'm going to let you guys guess. And the winner gets a prize. What? What? How do you know? Basically, a few of my friends are going to exchange really soon, so that's why I want to do this video. You know what to bring, when you go on a holiday. So we're gonna skip all that. I'm going to tell you guys what is so important to bring that I'll kill myself if I didn't bring it. So for our first item, oh yeah, I forgot to open the bag. What? Alright, a lot of stuff. Alright, drum roll please. Okay, so the first thing, right, that you really have to bring is an extension cord. Okay, extension cord is so really damn important. Yeah, some of you might ask, right, like, but if I just bring a power adapter, then like, like this, then you'd be like, isn't this enough? Like, yeah, sure, if you just bring one thing to charge, right, you'll be like, I need to charge something else, and then I'm gonna need another adapter. So to avoid all of that, okay, all you need to have is just one adapter plugged into the extension cord LDNIO, and it has like charging ports as well, so it's really convenient. And then that's where I charge all my laptop, my phone, my camera stuff. Yeah, bring an extension cable. Right, next we have oh my god, so many things. Alright, next we have your bank cards, okay, bank cards. So it's really important, right, to have a multi-currency card when you guys are traveling overseas. What I applied for was like the DBS card, and then I just like applied for a multi-currency account. Or what I recommend highly as well is the U-Trip card. So the U-Trip card was, it's really useful because I think the rates is a lot better than the DBS ones. Yeah, and if you want to withdraw local currency, right, you just have to pay like $5 if you're using U-Trip, $5 Sing. But if you're withdrawing through the DBS card, it's gonna be like $7. Yeah, I'm not endorsed by U-Trip or anything, but I just felt like U-Trip was really useful throughout my entire trip. Okay, and in Sweden, right, the country that I went, Sweden doesn't really use like cash, so cards are like really important. Okay, right, next we have the important documents, photocopied as well, kept in your like a little file that is easy to bring around in your day pack. What's really important about this is because like sometimes authorities don't want like your original copy, so they want like photocopy, and then it's always good to have extra because you never know like the country you're going to, the customs, how's it like. So really important to have photocopy all your stuff, important documents, your passport, your NRIC, your identity card, whatsoever. Okay, that was a fast one. Moving on, number 4. Okay, so fanny packs, really useful. So I heard that in Europe, yeah, there's a lot of like pickpocketers. I've never encountered one myself throughout my entire trip, maybe only once, but like the guy was drunk. This is really important. So this is where I put all my cash, all my cards in, all my important stuff in, and then I wear it over like this. Then I get my jacket, and then it is well hidden. So every time I want to pay, right, I just like then I just pay. Very convenient. You don't want to be putting your stuff, important stuff, in your pockets or whatever, because it makes it a lot easier for pickpockets to actually take your stuff, right? So yeah, get a fanny pack. Spare phone. Okay, you never know, like, when you're traveling and then like, oh shit, like your phone drops somewhere, and then piang, that spot, and then you need to replace it, or you need to like repair it, but then you're in like a country that is very hard to like find where to get a new phone, kind of thing. So phones are so important right now, right? So it's your main tool of communication. So it's so important to have an extra phone. Then you can just put your SIM card and then everything just be normal, and then maybe like you go somewhere, you can find a repair shop and you just repair it immediately. But if you don't have a spare phone, right, I mean, you can just ask your iPhone to give birth. Yep, so these are the stuff that I really highly recommend you guys to bring it with you on your exchange before you go for exchange. The rest of the stuff are like optional stuff that you guys can listen or not to. Okay, I mean, this whole time you can just like, it's up to you whether you choose to bring it. Okay, so next few stuff, bring your own medicine. It's a medicine box, not pencil case, because you never know how expensive medicine can be in a European country, and usually the brands are like different, so you might not get the same medicine that works for you at home. So yeah, bring your own medicine, or at least ask your mum, dad to like pack it for you. Pretty sure they know how. And one thing I advise as well, okay, instead of just bring one charging head, okay, always remember to bring 2 charging heads. Reason why is also because like I lost one of my camera equipment and then I wanted to buy it online, so I bought it off like Amazon because there's no like Lazada or like, I don't know. Basically, I bought it at like a pretty decent price, but when it came into Sweden, right, what happened was that they actually taxed the same amount that I bought that equipment for. So for example, I bought something like this for like 12 euros. Sweden would tax on its imports, right, another price of like this. So I'll be paying in total like 24 euros for a simple charger like this shit. Bring double if you have. Yeah. Yada yada yada. So if you're a frequent traveler, right, you would want to bring, okay, a duffel bag. Okay, so duffel bag, right, is collapsible, so it's very easy to pack into your own like luggage as well. And because they're so like flexible, right, they can fit like the airplane requirements. So I always bring a duffel bag to store all my clothes when I travel. I do my solo travels and everything. So duffel bags are really important if you want to travel. You don't have to bring one from your home. I mean, if you have, just bring it. But I bought this in Sweden itself. Yeah. Okay, so if you guys are going for like the winter period, right? Okay. So to really keep yourself warm, I'm pretty sure you guys know that you need to bring like thermals. So they are like tights that you wear under your own normal clothes, which is gonna keep you warm. I buy them from like Uniqlo, which is really it's not cheap, but it really comes in handy. Then what I suggest you guys to pack as well, right, is to pack like sweatpants. Why sweatpants, right? It's because like being baggy all, it helps you to trap air and keeping you warm. Yeah. As well, if you're going for winter country, okay, don't be stupid. Okay, don't be stupid and only bring winter clothes. Okay, towards like April or like May, right? And then it's going to get a lot hotter, so prepare your summer clothes as well. And for winter, right, I suggest you guys bring a large coat to keep you from like extreme cold. And then as well, bring a smaller jacket, right, when the weather is still cold but like not as cold and it's not as heavy. Yeah, you definitely need to bring boots when we were walking around in Sweden, because it was snowing and like the floor is like all like iced up and stuff, because like the water apparently like it's, yeah, science.
Yes, science!
So it gets very slippery, so boots are really important to help you get the grip. And Timberlands as well really keeps your leg warm. I mean your feet. Doesn't keep your leg warm, it keeps your feet warm. So basically you need boots to keep your feet warm, as well as have a strong grip on like icy areas. Yeah. Alright, I think that's all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video has benefited you in some kind of way. If you're watching and you happen to be going on exchange in a few weeks, I'm going to tell you, exchange is going to be so fun. Alright, so if there's anything that I've missed out, so feel free to leave it in the comments below so you can help others as well. You can be someone who's going for exchange, or you're not going for exchange, just going to rot at home. I'll be posting a lot more exchange content that I've filmed. I've done 2 vlogs so far, so be sure to check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do like, what do they say? Please smash the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends who are going for exchange. And you want them to see this video, help them out, you know, so that they don't miss anything when they pack. So yeah, and I'll see you next one.